Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my shop with me for my December kits. I am shopping from Planner Kate. All of the links to the kits and the shop will be listed in the description box down below. So the first kit that I'm going to be looking for is my monthly kit. I use this kit to set the tone for my planner for the month, and I fell in love with this. It's called Christmas Trees, but it's got the truck with the Christmas tree in the back end. And I have this Christmas pillow that I put out every year with this truck and the tree. And so I just loved this monthly kit. So I am going to be using or purchasing the EC Monthly Sheet 1 and EC Monthly Sheet 2. So the next kit that I'm going to be looking for is Mini Kit 193, which is Farmhouse Christmas. And I love the colors in this kit as well. I love anything burgundy, but I just love the simplistic nature of some of the full boxes. So I am getting sheet A, which is the sampler sheet, and then sheet C, which is the full box and half box kit. I love having a few full boxes that are not as patterned in my weeks. Just gives it a little bit more breathing space, it looks like. So the second weekly kit is going to be Mini Kit 192, which is the Mary Berry mini kit, and these full boxes are just the right amount of pattern to me. They're a little busy, a couple are a little bit more busy than others. So I of course got sheet A and sheet C. And then you can see that I'm looking for some kits, and I had a really difficult time after the first two kits figuring out which kits I wanted to purchase. I don't know, a lot of them felt the same to me. I mean, I shouldn't say that. They are honestly beautiful, but they are not the vibe that I was feeling for Christmas. So I was looking at this kit 190, and it's got yellow in it. I don't want to use yellow in my planner with the yellow and the green for Christmas. I don't know. I wasn't feeling it. I mean, it'd be perfect for January and snow. And depending on January kits, I might actually go back and grab that kit for January. So you can see that I'm seriously just browsing through. I couldn't find the one that I wanted. And so I end up searching for Mini Kit 195, and this is the Merry and Bright mini kit. I didn't want to get this again because this was, I think, a regular kit last year in 2018, this artwork. But out of all of the kits, this was one of the kits that I really liked. I love the bright colors of this. I'm probably going to use it at the beginning of December. When we go do, see Santa or something like that. So now I'm counting to see if I have any, or if I have what I need. And I realize that I have things sitting in my cart. So I get rid of the movie and film icons and then the EC Mix teardrop icons. But I keep the Mixed Emotions PK Doodles with the brown hair. So I'm just going back and I'm searching for I was looking at all the new items, and then I decided, well, just like last month, now I'm looking through new releases again. But just like last month, I went back and I looked at last year's mini kits and last year's, the 2018 weekly kit that's still available. So right now I'm going to go to mini kits, and I'm just going to search for really anything that works. I go through pretty much all of the mini kits that are available, which there's, 100. So I did look through all of the mini kits available, And I did look at this mini kit 76, which is the Rudolph mini kit. And since it is the older format of the mini kits, it does have the headers with the full boxes. And I really, really, really dislike headers. To me, they're so difficult to put down. And I mean, honestly, I don't need a header on top of every day saying today or to do, or I'm past that point in my planning. But really, I am looking again through the mini kits, and I do find at this point I was like, there's only one mini kit for Christmas, and then I see, oh, there's mini kit 72, and then this log cabin mini kit, which I really do like this log cabin mini kit, and I might get this for January as well, depending again on releases. And then I saw this mini kit 72, which is the classic Christmas mini kit, and I liked it, but again, there's the headers. Like, the headers are a really big no-go for me. But, so I looked through all of the mini kits, and then I'm like, okay, let's go look at the 2018 full kits, and we'll see what's there. So the mini kit, or the full kit that is available for the weekly from 2018 is called Hollyberry, and I do really like this kit. I purchased this kit back in 2018, but I purchased this kit back in 2018, and I already did that with the Marion Bright kit. And so I was just like, well, there's nothing else available, so let's go back over to the mini kits. And I'll show you which one I originally or end up getting, because yeah, I don't know. I just again really struggled. Oh, actually I go back over to the new releases, and I'm like, okay, is there anything that I have missed that would be good for this? And I look, and this is one of the kits that I originally had written down, but upon further inspection, that red box with the stamps, I wasn't a big fan of. And so I'm not going to buy a kit that I don't 100% completely love. And then I saw this kit, the Let It Snow weekly kit, and then I was like, you know what, that's really more January for me. I am very much a December's Christmas sort of gal. And so, again, I love the colors of that kit. I love blue, love purple. But it doesn't speak December to me. And then I was like, why did I not like the car kit again? Like, I really couldn't remember why I hadn't chose the weekly kit for this. And the full boxes are why I didn't choose the weekly kit. Oh, right. I was looking through and I was like, I accidentally hit the Hobonichi Weeks kit listing. But it's the full boxes. I don't want multiple cars on multiple full boxes. So, and now I'm like really frustrated. Like, I know I need 4 kits for the weeks in December. I know I need 4 kits. I'm not going to be able to put together I don't want to have to put together like a cobbled up week. I just want to have the kits and be able to do it, because Christmas is going to be crazy busy. And I just don't want to have to worry about it. Like, this is like the busiest, we're going into the busiest time of the year for family stuff, and I don't want to have to worry about that. So I go back to the Rudolph mini kit, and I decide to buy the sampler and the mini kit, or the sampler and the full box sheet. So I'm just not going to use the headers. That's what I've decided. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you give this video a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I am going to be coming out with videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday until the end of the year. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.